Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here. I am coming to y'all and doing a hair tutorial. So I wanted to come and show y'all the process of me doing my hair while I am going natural. With me, it's all about trying to. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to comb it while it's damp. So with this look, it's still damp. So what I'm going to do is I am going to be using the Hawaii Silk Activating Gel. And so this is one of my favorite products. So and I love how it dries. It dries. When it dries, it's more on the softer side, but you kind of are seeing my curls a little bit more better. It's gonna take a process of with my hair going on since I'm just starting my natural hair process. And yeah, we're gonna take a little bit and we're just gonna go right up in here and just work on the sides right here. Even though it still have some straighter pieces in there, I'm just, just starting to get my, doing my natural hair care. So, yeah. Alright, but yeah, this is mostly it. It's like natural. So, let me turn around, let y'all see the back. That is what the back is looking like. But yes, until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.